Okay, so here's one of the Home Depot Black Friday deals. There's a few posted in the regular gift section, but I actually found this on one of the end caps. There's a few different choices. You can buy some bare tools or some kits and you get a free battery. This is the drill I was interested in, the DCD999, and it comes with the 6 amp flex volt battery, a charger, and a bag. And then what you're getting for free is this monstrous 9 amp flex volt battery. Okay, if anybody knows how these work, it's actually a hack, because nothing's free. These come up as 2 separate items on your receipt, and they have 2 separate return values. So you take back what you don't want, and what you do keep costs you that much less. It's $299, including this free battery. But I believe this kit comes down to $166 and change in your cart, and this is the other $133. You do the math. So I'm gonna open this up. I want to see what's inside this one, because this is the one I'm gonna be comparing with that Flex head to head very soon. Okay, with the Dewalt, everything's actually packed inside this bag. Bag seems to be pretty decent quality. Doesn't have pockets or anything like the Flex, but it's decent size, got decent zipper. Seems like it's pretty well made. Here's the charger. And let's get into the battery. Let's check. Yep, only 1 bar showing on that one. This one comes with some kind of like safety clip on it, so you can't mess up the connections on the battery. And you gotta push that to release it. Here's the actual drill. Just like the Flex, it's pretty heavy. Again, very well balanced. This one you actually get 11 clutch settings plus the drill and the hammer, and they're integrated in one sleeve. You can hear really audible clicks. This is not a Jacobs chuck. But it is a ratcheting chuck. This one has 3 speeds. And then you actually have different settings on your light down below. Unlike the Flex, this one does not have anti-kickback. One thing I really like about the Dewalt ergonomics, not only are they really well balanced, but if you can look at that right there, they give you a little bit more of a curve where that rubber meets your knuckle, instead of being back here like a lot of them where the rubber comes shorter, and then that plastic actually hits your knuckle. The placement of their selector lever, forward and reverse, is nice. Some of the drills, it's kind of back here, so you actually have to reach kind of weird. Again, you can tell it's got pretty good power. And that's speed 3. That's speed 1. Speed 2. Let me talk about this auxiliary handle. To me, this is probably one of the best designs. Because it literally just slides right onto that body. And when you tighten it, it grabs all the way around. So it's kind of similar to a hose clamp in that aspect. Feels like a good length, good handle. And of course, just like all of them, it can be used for left or right-handed people. Well, I guess that's it. If I decide to keep this one, I'm definitely returning this battery because I have no use for this big thing. I do have a couple 5 amp XR batteries, so if I end up keeping this drill, I think I'm going to get the DCF 845 bigger tool. Thanks for watching. Leave comments below, like and subscribe, turn on your notifications. Head to head between this and the Flex coming real soon. And for those of you that don't know, Dewalt comes with a 3-year limited warranty on the tool, 3-year free service on the battery, 3-year limited warranty on the battery, 1-year service on the tool, 90-day money-back guarantee. So if something happens to go wrong with it after 1 year, odds are they're going to charge you to fix it, and it may end up costing you less just to buy a new tool.